agents, agents, agents. So I just got out of the Peter DeSantis infrastructure keynote, and we were like, oh my God, are they going to say something other than agentic? The talk was a lot about the infrastructure underlying how all the agentic stuff works. And one of the key points that he made was that all the ilities, scalability and so on, that Amazon is known for, that's exactly what you need for AI anyway. So it was interesting, they talked about, did a deep dive onto Graviton, and that the hardware that's in Trainium and everything is bigger and faster and all that kind of stuff. They then talked about the evolution of compute with regard to lambdas, and now lambda managed instances, where you specify a number of instances and you can still run lambdas, but they're running them on your hardware. And he's attempting to redefine serverless as not having to do server management. And that's great. And also, many of us Amazon heroes have argued that serverless means scaling to zero. So no cost when you're not actually running things. Lambda managed instances currently have a minimum size of 3 instances. So I'm actually excited that we can have the religious debate again about what the heck is serverless. He then also talked about one of my favorite services out there, which is S3 vectors. And S3 vectors have been criticized as perhaps being a little bit slower than open source vectors, but now they've introduced this notion of S3 token neighborhoods, which is going to make it even faster. So it was actually a great talk because yes, agents, but it all has to run someplace. And one of the things that he said, and we said in our talk the other day, is the fundamentals still matter. In fact, the fundamentals probably matter more than ever. So, as I say, let's see what you're going to build. And if you'd like some help, hey, we offer Keynote as an option to help you, because these are strange, difficult, exciting, wonderful times. And sometimes that's when you would like a guide, and we're happy to be your guide.